Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I want to share with you this recipe of an awesome cake. Really easy to prepare and with basic ingredients. I will start telling what we need for this cake. I start with sour cream, 250 grams, for eggs, 10 grams of baking powder, 200 grams of sugar, 260 grams of flour, 100 milliliters of sunflower, a pinch of salt, and apricots. I will put the eggs in one bowl. Add over a pinch of salt, and I use the mixer. After a few minutes I will start adding sugar and continue to mix. Add oil as well, and the mixture will start to be really creamy, and the sugar will dissolve. Add sour cream. I will add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract because I want more flavor. I will combine baking powder with flour. And add these dry ingredients over the egg mixture and continue to mix. Preheat the oven at 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit, and we're gonna bake this cake in the preheated oven. But first, grease with some oil a dish in which you're gonna bake this cake. Pour the batter in and level it nicely with the spatula. Wash the fruits and cut them in half and put them with a cut down on top of the cake. And after this you can bake the cake in the oven for about 25 minutes. In the meantime, with the rest of the apricots, I'm gonna do a jam. I'm gonna cut them in smaller cubes, remove the pit of course, add 2 tablespoons of sugar over, and cook them on a stove on low fire until they look like a jam. And after you bake the cake, you can brush this jam on top of the cake. If you don't want to do this step, you can just powder the cake with some powdered sugar, and it's gonna be absolutely delicious. It's a really simple cake, full of flavor, really moist because we use sour cream and also sunflower oil, and it's gonna be so easy to serve. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you here next time with another recipe. Until then, find reasons to smile. Bye bye.